Mm-hmm. I'm gonna get a margarita. You want any food? You want a snack? It's not expensive.
Is that bad?
A burger? Sandwich?
Sure.
Okay.
I mean,
We live in large.
Money.
We live in large. We live in large, bitch. The RV is in a airport parking lot. Bryce, I sent money via PayPal. Did you? Oh, thank you, Ryler. $30 for train food and drink. That is so sweet, Ryler. Thank you so much. I'm gonna use all of it. We're gonna have a great time. We're gonna feast. Train seriously looks so cool. I'm loving it. This is definitely my vibe. Excuse me. Thank you, Ryler. Whoa. It's a bumpy ride. No. It is great content, isn't it? It's so cool. Excuse me. Excuse me. Wait, did I go too far? No, this is the observatory car, which is gorgeous. Go ahead. Okay, now. And we're 4 behind again. Enough time to decide on something. All right. Deluxe Stromboli. What do we think, guys, for my dad?
Yes, sir.
Cheeseburger.
Real strong drink. Coffee.
Coffee.
Yeah. No, just black. So I was gonna say
Yeah.
whiskey, beer.
Should I get
Cocktail.
wine instead?
How much are you?
I don't really want a margarita.
Alright. I'm running out of money.
They have girly
I spent all my
drinks.
money in California.
Oh, yeah.
It just says
That's
vodka. Like,
pennies.
what's the
Oh, no. All right.
White
Thank
Claw?
you.
Alright.
Hello.
$8 for a White Claw. Vegan burger for Ben. Vodka Red Bull. They don't have Red Bull on here.
Anything else for you?
White Claw is the best canned alcoholic drink.
And the what?
Do they have martinis? Do you have martinis? Bacardi rum. Like, what does that mean? Just like a shot of rum. I guess I could get a shot and a soda. I don't really want that. What about Stella Artois? There's a menu. Okay, what do you think I should get? I don't really like rum and coke, so G&T.
You've got condiments right behind you, okay? Thank you. All right.
I am back. Okay. Have the ID.
Thank you.
So can I get a Stone IPA and do you make gin and tonics?
A gin and tonic, I do.
Yeah. Okay. And also
Where's the birthday?
right there.
Oh my god, right in front of my face. Date of birth 10/30/2002. All right. Thank
And
you.
a deluxe Stromboli too.
You said gin and tonic, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I got gin, stone, stromboli. Anything else?
That's it.
All right, so it's $24.50. Do you need a receipt today? You're gonna find utensils, and if you need any condiments behind you. There's that. And that is open on the side here.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi. Do you guys take Apple Cash?
You get Apple Pay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll take whiskey.
Thank you, Ryler. My king. This is gonna help mommy a lot. My beautiful observatory car. Excuse me, sorry. Sorry. You guys should sit on that car. We have a long time to go. Maybe tomorrow morning we'll go in that car. Need to figure out how to get past people. You just go in one of these little sections. We all the way in the back of this hoe. To the left, to the left. You took my spot. Get out.
I don't think there's a sign to that. We get 11 and 12. It didn't say you get one. I'm enjoying the view, Grace.
Bro.
You don't have any interest in geography. You should be interested in
I literally bought you.
things.
I bought you a beer and a stromboli, and this is how you remember me.
Really have.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go.
We miss you too, Patience.
Cheers, buddy. A Stone IPA.
Yeah, I thought you'd like that.
Why?
Don't you like IPAs?
That's a way of saying why.
I got a
One of
G.
those
I got a
guys.
G and T. Seagram's tonic water and gin. Ryler paid $30.
Oh, thank you, Ryder.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah. Very nice. And you heated it up. Handmade stromboli. Can you open that? Just, yeah. Well, I think we have explored every mode of transportation imaginable.
Yeah. Not really
Except
boating.
motorcycles
Boats,
and boats.
RV, bikes, tandem bikes, e-bikes, trains, planes. What else
Dabbled
could you
in
ask
both.
for? What else could you ask for?
Private jets. Motorcycle. Hang gliding. I'm not really that interested in going from one place to another. That's the irony of this.
I forgot. So, my idea when we move to New Hampshire, why does it keep going in and out? When we go to New Hampshire, I want to get an RV plot by a lake. Lake content. That's my dream.
What's an RV plot?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is
Not-
service attendant here.
not-
Now, please have everyone's attention just for a few short moments. I would like to stress a few points regarding train travel. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, may I please have everyone's attention just for a few short moments. This is the service attendant in the diner. I would like to make a few points regarding train travel. Although service is our number one passion, safety is our number one concern. When walking throughout the train, you must wear shoes at all times. We would hate for you to walk through the vestibule with 10 toes and have to be carried off the train with 9 toes. With that being said, please wear your shoes at all times when traveling throughout the train. No shoes, no service. This is public transportation. Please refrain from using sound-emitting devices. Please be sure to wear headphones. This is a family-friendly environment. Please refrain from vulgar language.
Oh, look, it's cool.
And profanity.
Take the turn.
Please do not allow your children to roam
yeah, I
the
see
train
that.
unattended. We kindly ask that all passengers treat other passengers the way that they would like to be treated. Please be kind. Please be patient. There is no one to clean up after you on the train. We kindly ask that you dispose of your trash in the 2 trash receptacles located in each and every car. Our bathrooms are on a vacuum system. If one bathroom goes down, all of the bathrooms go down. Please do not flush any children, any foreign objects,
Don't flush any
clothes,
children.
anything that doesn't belong in the toilet. Please do not drop it in there. There is no Wi-Fi on long-distance trains, but we do have Windows Explorer. It's a beautiful time to look out the window and take in the remarkable view.
Did he just say don't flush any children?
There are
Yes.
2 places you can dine on the train.
Who says we
Cafe
have
car
Windows
and a diner.
Explorer?
The difference between the two is simple.
But
The cafe car is similar to takeout, the lower level of the observation car. The observation car is the car that has the oversized windows and the big tables.
This is not
Cafe
bad, to be
car is on
honest.
the lower level. In the cafe car, we offer an assortment of breakfast, lunch, and dinner items that are available
tonic
throughout the duration of the trip. All major forms of payment are accepted. 1 car forward is the diner. In the diner, it's similar to a restaurant. We have 2 remarkable chefs who prepare your meals on the lower level, 2 remarkable servers for serving the upper level. You must have a reservation to dine at the diner. Please be mindful that the diner is similar
He didn't
to
say
a
good, just
restaurant.
remarkable.
Sometimes you run ahead of schedule, sometimes
you could
run
remark
behind
upon
schedule.
them.
Please wait. Please
Be
wait
a positive
until
or
you
negative
hear
remark.
your reservation call prior to coming to the diner.
Okay, no.
Guys, look.
This is really different.
Wow.
This is what it must be like for you when I'm driving the RV, huh?
Not really. I'm usually so busy with the chat and everything. I don't really see.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you do not remember anything from this message, we kindly ask that you treat others the way that
I'm
you would like
just
to be
focused
treated.
on like
Please be
directions
kind,
in the
please
chat.
be patient. Any questions or concerns, please feel free to ask any uniformed member of the crew. And enjoy your travel.
Please do not please do not rape other passengers. Thank you for your cooperation.
Well, family friendly.
Bro, this guy needs to shut the fuck up. He had a little stand-up set ready for us.
These weird little mountains, you never see that in the East.
No.
See, like a lot of between here and when we get to Chicago, it's like this stuff that no one lives in. Like that.
Yeah. Yep.
I don't know why no one's ever just tried to live in it. But apparently it's a no-go. It's not worth it.
How long is the train ride? It's 2 days and 23 hours in total. No, 1 day and 23 hours in total.
Oh my god, you scared me.
Sorry. I keep getting...
But by the end of it, we're just going to be like, oh, I'm going to get off this.
No. This is legit so chill. I could do this for months.
It's like, it's like fun. It's like ultimate passive. It's a ride, right? Like an amusement ride.
Yeah.
For people who are adults.
Where's your bikes? The tandem bike is in the storage container.
The e-bike is being worked on. This is in the process
Big
of being...
Patience has got a big handle on it.
Yeah.
Good content. You like the train content? Dad, it's been getting rave reviews so far. People really like it.
It is cool.
Grace pressed Ben even harder against the window.
Whereas we have 51 hours to get there.
I know.
I wouldn't take my
Hyper
chains
excited.
soon.